Hey guys, hi, fancy seeing you around here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Minky, this is the Glam Guide. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below so that you guys can join the Glammy gang and that you don't miss out on any of the action. What a mouthful. We are going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Actually, it's not an unboxing because I've already unboxed it, but it's a Louis Vuitton reveal. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys two items that I picked up from Louis Vuitton before Corona. Okay, so this was before Corona. I have not bought any luxury since, like during. I haven't used them, and so I actually wanted to show you guys what I picked up so that I can now use it. I love watching luxury reveals. You guys know your girl is a liker of things, okay? I like to drop a little money here and there on bags and nice things. But yes, like, I know that some of you guys, like, we're cut like that. You know what I mean? We like nice things. We're cut like that. But if you're not, and this is not your kind of video, then definitely make sure to check out a bunch of my other videos that aren't in this realm. Okay, so without any further ado, if you guys want to see what I picked up from Louis Vuitton, then just keep watching. Okay, so this first item right here is tiny. So this is kind of how the box comes, with like the blue ribbon. Obviously my essay ties it a lot better than this. He does a much better job than I do. But this is basically the first item that I got, and funny enough, so let me tell you the story behind this piece. My essay's name is Jacob. He is at Louis Vuitton in Sandton, and he is like, we became fast friends. Let me put it that way. Like, him and I literally just have the best time together whenever I go in, even if it's just to look or whatever. If ever you want to buy from Louis Vuitton in Sandton, definitely ask for Jacob. He is going to give you fantastic service. He's going to make you laugh. He's dope. He's just an amazing human being. So anyways, I called him about this piece. And he was just like, yeah, sis, listen, if you want it, you're going to have to move quickly. And so I was like, okay, cool. So I was like, can you bring one in for me? Can you order it for me? So he was like, okay, cool. I'll see what we can do. We should be receiving stock whenever. So I was like, okay, cool. So the day before I went to go buy this, and I bought these pieces on the same day. The day before I went to go buy this, he had told me that there was two in stock, I believe. I think that there were two that they actually had in the shop. So I was just like, I sent him a text message back and I was just like, listen, I will be there 9 a.m. Okay, it was a weekday. I was like, 9 a.m. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna buy the piece. We're gonna be nice, because I had been wanting it for the longest time. That morning, I literally had just come from the gym, quickly took a shower, put on some leggings and whatever, and I went to Sandton. And on the way to Sandton, so this is maybe like around 9:15, maybe 9:30. I'm on my way there. I'm driving there. He sends me a message. He's like, listen, we've just sold one. There's only one left, so you better get here or else you're going to have to be put on a waiting list. I was like, oh my gosh. I get to the store, and then he was there, and he was helping like another client at the time. And I was just like looking around, whatever. And then I see this lady that is holding this piece. Okay, she's holding it. She's like looking inside, like really like looking at it, considering to buy it. I was just like, Jacob! Just trying to, like, I don't actually know what I expected him to do, but I was just like freaking out, because I was just like, if this lady decides to buy it, I might have to tackle her. I'm joking, guys. Anyways, so yeah, so that is the story behind this piece. She did not end up buying it, and I snatched it up, and then yes, I bought it. So this is the dust bag that it comes in, and I do have a piece like this in a smaller version, but also in the different canvas. Dun, 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 dun. Yes! So this piece is called the Cosmetic pouch. It is in the GM size, guys. Okay, so I have currently two like makeup pieces, like toiletry bags, let's call them that, toiletry bags from Louis Vuitton. And there's just something about Louis Vuitton toiletry bags and like things that you travel with, that for me is just so like, I think of like old Hollywood like celebrities when they would have like their Louis Vuitton like toiletry cases, even Kimora Lee Simmons. Okay, some of you, this might be before your time, but Kimora Lee Simmons back in the day, I mean, I think Ming Lee and Aoki were probably like 4 years old, 6 years old or whatever, and Kimora Lee Simmons had this reality show. I think it was called Life in the Fab Lane or something, and she had all of this like Louis Vuitton like travel stuff, not just the bags, like the actual travel bags that you would buy, but like her toiletry bags and everything were just like classic monogram Louis Vuitton. And I don't know, I really like that look. Inside the pouch, it's got this wipeable material, and then it has the tag in there, and mine was made in France. I think most of the stuff that you actually get at the Louis Vuitton in South Africa is made in France, except for like scarves and whatever. I think those are made in Spain. I could be wrong, but all of my pieces are made in France. And then on this side, it's got another pouch that you can keep, and then sort of like a lipstick holder. So this I plan on using like in my bigger handbags, you know, just like as a makeup bag, carry or whatever. But also when I travel, I will be traveling with this piece. And I also have the Toiletry 26, which is also in monogram. And I just think that they look so, I don't know, it's just so like, I don't know, I don't want to say old money, but it's kind of like, it just gives me like a really classic vibe. On the side, it's got the Vachette tabs, and as you guys can see, mine are still pretty much white. They have not patinaed at all because I have not used this piece, as I said. So that is the first piece that I got from Louis Vuitton. Dun, 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 dun. So as you guys can probably tell, this is a handbag, and again, this is a piece that I really wanted for a long time. I was deciding between this one and the Neverfull initially when I got my Neverfull, and then I decided on the Neverfull, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna come back and I'm going to get this piece. And I am so happy because I am a fan of Louis Vuitton classics. Like, if you guys know the Louis Vuitton classic collection, like the classic situation, I am a fan. I plan on collecting all of the classics before I sort of like branch out, even though I have branched out a little bit. But I want to get all the classics. Okay, so second piece, yes, it is a handbag. So this is how it comes, and that is what it looks like. And I have the classic one. Oh, she's so pretty. I love this handbag. Now, my only beef with this handbag is the fact that it's sort of like, it looks like that if you put stuff in it and it doesn't have an organizer in it. I'm not crazy about the slouchy look. I like it when it's a little bit more structured. So how I can achieve a more structured look when I use this bag is if I get a bag organizer, which I will be buying soon. I think I'm going to import one from Samorga. Samorga is I believe they're a Korean company. I believe so. They're a Korean company, and yes, they have amazing bag organizers. So this is my Speedy 30 in the damier bin. This is a bag that I feel I would have forever. I love the fact that I can dress this up when I go to work. I can also dress it down when I'm wearing jeans and a t-shirt, put a cute little scarf on. I do have a Louis Vuitton scarf that I'm going to be tying on it, and yeah, I just think it's going to be so cute. So on the inside, it's got this beautiful classic red lining, and then on the side it's got these two tabs. So that's just what the tabs look like. This one is to put the lock on. I will show you guys in a second, because you can actually lock this bag, so it's got a hole in here as well, and when you zip it closed you can actually lock it. I probably would never lock my handbag because I mean, I don't see the point. And then on this tab it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. On the inside it comes, I mean, it's got like the authentication card and some sticker, yeah, with the code on it. It has this little baggie, and in this little baggie you have the beautiful Louis Vuitton lock, this gold lock, and then you have the keys. How cute are they? And that is what that looks like. So how adorable. As I said, this is the classic Damier Ebene Speedy 30. You can get the Speedy bandolier if you want to be able to put it over your shoulder. You can also clip on a bag strap on these rings if you want to. For me personally, I probably won't, because if I wanted to be able to use it over my shoulder, I would have bought the bandolier. But I just love the look of this. This for me is like classic and beautiful, and this was what I wanted. So yes, these pieces ain't cheap, okay? And your girl needs to save. Like, there's a process to this. I don't just like walk in and be like, okay, I'm getting this, I'm getting that, I'm getting that. Like, our bank accounts are not set up that way yet. So until such a time, we need to save, we need a plan, we need to do all of that. And I actually have a way that I sort of like save and budget and, you know, plan my purchases. So if you guys want to know how I can actually afford luxury goods, then definitely let me know in the comments down below. I would be more than happy to make that video for you. Well, that is it, guys, for my Louis Vuitton reveal. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what else you guys would like to see. Also, if you guys have anything that is on your wish list, maybe something that you're looking, you know, at getting or whatever, comment down below and let me know what it is you guys would like to get, and it can be across any brand. Also, if you guys want to know how I afford a luxury video, then I will be more than happy to do one of those for you. So let me know by hitting that like button so that I know that that is something that you guys want to see. I love you guys all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.